There is a guy called Lester. A vampire apocalypse occurs, definitely not a fiesta. No party, only running a marathon for his life. Victims all around, panicking and dying with strife. He manages to duck into his own private house. Outside is all screams and alarms, inside like a mouse. He grabs a knife and hides in an upstairs bathroom. Head vamp is outside by the pool, howling at the moon. Thinking he's alone, turns out someone got another idea. Hearing creaking, as if sneaking, he feels full of fear. Turns out it's a hot chick he fancied from school. Trust she's not a vamp, he opens the door like a fool. He gives in too easily, but it turns in a sexy time. This short film is based on a dream of mine. Like Jim Cameron, I thought I could pull it off. Wasting 400 pounds on film festivals, when was enough? This film was supposed to get me in the film business. Now I make epics with my green screen and end at fitness. Gyms are closed again to lock down in our minds. Trying to get back to normal is not easy as I find. I wish vampires were real and they finally took over. That would be better than sitting at home staying sober. That's all I gotta say for my vamp masterpiece. I think life is amazing. I'm about to have a niece. Say what? So a story begins in 1800 or thereabout. James Cook was an NZ when they sent a scout. His name was Jeremy, he was white but became a Maori. He was part of the tribe, even had a wife for dowry. Then the soldiers came to the land of Aotearoa. They didn't expect resistance from the fierce Toa. That's a Maori warrior if you didn't know, get some knowledge. It was a time of warfare and colonization, not studying at college. This tribe shielded an ancient beast, some say a monster. Despite a valiant fight, they were sadly all slaughtered. Even the sacred chief is slain, only remaining is his daughter. The soldiers ventured into the dragon's cave lair. Some don't survive, but Finnegan tackles a dare. He keeps a tooth as a keepsake for the rest of time. In the moment, he is a hero, it all seems to be fine. He doesn't know his family name will be cursed forever. Pete forget ties to the old ways cannot simply be severed. The tiny fowl will have its revenge one day in many shapes and sizes. Its magic penetrates all it comes into contact with, full of surprises. Marvel Records, 2021. Done in lockdown number 2 or 3. I forget because there's so many now. It's all bullshit if you ask me. And it may never end. Might be lockdown 3. Let's hope not.